Hello and welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to be updating my Python YouTube video downloader so it will support multiple streams. So in case you have a video that doesn't download in 1080p or 720p, you can download it in a lower quality stream. So yeah, let's get right into it. And before I go any further, I just want to say I'm sorry. I've been very busy with school, so I haven't been able to update you guys on this. But yeah, I have a week and a half of finals. So yeah, I'll be back more hopefully. So yeah, so starting things off, I am here and this will be in the link. This is pretty much just the documentations for pytube, which is the library. And if you haven't caught up to where we are, code will be in the link description, and you should also check out my previous videos where I explain how to do this. So first off, we want to see the I tag. So 1080p is going to be 137 I tag. So come into here, let me just close this real quick. Um, so what we're going to do here is essentially just create multiple try and except functions. So create try and move this in here. And we're going to change this to I tag number 137. And I'm going to add in a comment to keep everything organized. I tag 137 is 1080p. Okay. And of course, since we have a try function, we need an except. For now, we're going to keep this blank. And actually, we're going to come in here. We're going to create another try. And this time, we're going to do stream. Actually, we could just copy this and then paste this here. Move these over and then change the I tag from 137 to 22, which happens to be 720p. So 22. Change this 22 to 720p here. Okay. And next, except. Of course, we have a try, so we have to close it with an except. And in here, we're going to create our final try function, which is going to be the same thing, but with I tag number 18. So copy this, come in here, paste it, move this over, move this over. 18 is, oops, 18 is 360p. So 360 and 18. And then close it off with an except. And I'm just going to print here. Actually, no, not print. I'm going to update on the screen self dot console dot set text failed, couldn't not find a stream. Okay, and yeah, so what this pretty much does is first, after you input the link, it comes in here. It tries to find the 1080p stream. Okay, it didn't, so it comes into here. Then it looks for the 720p stream. If it doesn't find it, it's going to come in here and look for the 360p stream. And if it can't find that, then it's going to print this in onto the main screen. So let's run this real quick. Okay, and then we're going to come here, come to a video just to test out with a 720p as the max stream quality. So this video happens to have that quality, so I'm going to copy this link, come to here, paste it, and click download. If it all works correctly, and yes, it has downloaded here. Just to make sure, let me delete this and run it again. And yep, here we go. And we have this video here. So yeah, that's pretty much going to be it for this video. Perhaps in the next video, I'm going to show how you can select to choose if you want to download an MP4 or an MP3. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe and like this video if you enjoyed it, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.